Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys a powerful Guyanese gun oil recipe. Alright, in Guyana the men say that the gun oil is strength in the back. Alright, so all the ladies out there, you can make this for your husband, your boyfriend, your baby daddy, whoever it is. You can make this original gun oil recipe for them. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. Alright, and don't forget to click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And also guys, my birthday is on the 18th of June and I have a birthday wish list from Quartz. It's just a few of some kitchen utensils. So if anybody wants to buy me anything from my wish list, just click the link below and you'll see all of the links there for what I would like to have for my birthday from Quartz. But you guys just have to email me and I'll give you my email. I'll give you the information with what you would have to do. Alright, so you can present me anything from my birthday wish list, or if you guys would like to send me anything from in my Cash App or my PayPal, I would really appreciate it. Okay guys, so let me just show you the ingredients for my Guyanese gun oil. Enjoy! Okay guys, so these are my ingredients for my Guyanese gun oil. I know it's a lot, but trust me, it's gonna be delicious in the end. So the first thing I have here, I break and grate my coconut, and I got my freshly grated coconut milk. Over here I have some Eddo Leaf. I actually cut it up small and then I put it in my food processor to get it chipped out that small. Over here I have my green plantain. I did the same thing as well. I grated very fine. My cassava, my Eddo, I grate all of those things very fine. This is my green seasoning. My sweet potato, I have grated garlic here. I have black pepper, Wiri pepper cubes, all-purpose seasoning. I also have my grated onion, and over here these are my corn. Guys, as you can see, gun oil now is it's a power soup, but everything has to be melted into the soup. So that's why you have to make sure that you grate every single thing. All right, so I'll show you guys the next step now. So now we're gonna do is put the corn now in your pressure pot to pressure, because it's hard right now. Okay, so let's go. So I already have water in my pressure pot, so I'm gonna put in my corn now. And I'm going to let this pressure, and when it finishes pressure, we'll be back. Okay guys, so I just put on my big pot here. So I'm gonna pour in some oil, and we're gonna fry up our veggies. First you're gonna fry up your onion, garlic, Wiri pepper, so you're gonna fry this up for 2 to 3 minutes, right? We'll be back in 2 to 3 minutes. So our veggies has been frying up for about 2 minutes. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna pour in your Eddo Leaf. Stir it up into the veggies, and also you're gonna put in your grated cassava. Remember guys, you gotta grate these things very fine, okay? So you're gonna put in your grated plantain. Eddo and sweet potato, and you're gonna mix everything together. Alright guys, and mix everything together. So you're gonna flavor your pot now. So we're gonna season up our grated provision now. So I have 3 cubes here. So I'm gonna put in my 3 cubes. I'll let you guys know if I have to put more. I also have some all-purpose seasoning and some black pepper. So I'm going to mix it up just like this, and then you're gonna pour in your coconut milk. So I'm gonna pour in my coconut milk now into the pot. And you're gonna stir it up just like this. And you're gonna put this to boil. Alright? Just like this. I'm also gonna put maybe like 2 more cups of water. And you're gonna let this boil for about 20 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, as you can see here, the gun oil finished boiling. You can see how smooth it is. Just like this. So guys, remember you could either blend up everything or you grate it fine, alright? So what you're gonna do now, this is the corn. I just cut them up into small pieces. You're gonna pour the corn into your gun oil. And that's it guys. So simple and delicious. So I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. So I'm dishing out my gun oil. So I'm gonna dish out my gun oil now and put it into my bowl here. This looks so good. Guys, you need to make this recipe. See how it's looking here? Guyanese Gun Oil. So all these ladies out there, make this recipe for your husband or your boyfriend, baby daddy, whoever it is. Make this recipe for them, okay? So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my Guyanese Gun Oil is all ready. And I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. So in Guyana, we use a cup to taste it, but I don't have a plastic cup, so I'm just gonna use my magic bullet cup instead. So we would dip it into the gun oil like this, and you're gonna, like, it might be so messy. You're gonna bite it. Wow. Ah. Wow, it's spicy. So when you finish biting it, you normally would soak it back into your gun oil again. Get all the juice and bite it all over again. And while you're biting it, you're sucking the gun oil out of the corn as well. Wow. Guys, this is how we eat it in Guyana, okay? I'm not even sure if my mouth have things on it, but this is how we eat it in Guyana. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up. Thumbs up the video guys, and please subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget, this is my birthday coming up on the 18th, and you guys can check the description box down below for my birthday wish list. Alright? And you guys can purchase me anything from there, but just email me. My information for my email and my Instagram is in the description box down below as well. Alright? So take care guys, and bye. Have a blessed day.